Happy Thai New Year, everybody. Happy Songkran. Another day, another event, and I'm here once again at Siam Paragon. And this time, I've brought with me a Thai friend to help me understand this holiday a little bit more. Introducing Zombie.
Hey, me!
There she is. Now, for those of you who don't know, Zombie actually takes care of all of our Thai social media and YouTube. Zombie, are you going to teach me a little bit about Songkran today?
Yes, sure. I will teach you a little bit of Songkran and I will take you somewhere.
Ooh, nice. So let's see what Siam Paragon is getting up to Songkran this year.
We participated in all activities available at the shopping center, starting with the traditional Buddha bathing at the fashion gallery on the first floor.
So now we're now at the Buddha bathing area. There are about 8 statues. There's 1 statue each for the day that you've been born. 2 for Wednesdays, depending on when you were born, morning or evening. Don't ask why. And we've got some water with rose petals, and this is something that we do that is auspicious on Songkran Day. It's a more traditional way of celebrating Songkran. And we bathe the Buddha statue with this water for good luck and, you know, say a little prayer and hope that the new year will be a good one. So, Zombie, when are you born? What date?
Thursday.
Thursday, so you can go to your statue representing Thursday. I'm Saturday.
We then made our way to learn how to make our own traditional garland. This is something you present to your elders as a token of appreciation and a gift for the new year to ask for their blessings. We also learned how to make traditional nam op and nam prum. In the olden days, this water was used as a perfume and now more commonly used as a scent mixed with water for traditional practices while visiting temples and at home. We also had a chance to observe and read some of the never-seen-before Buddha statues that were on display that represent each day of the week. Siam Paragon is a food destination where you will find varieties of restaurants from delicious street food to Michelin-starred restaurants. After participating in the activities, we decided to go try some E-saan food at Co Limited Restaurant located on the G floor of Siam Paragon Shopping Center. In this restaurant, they serve northeastern Thai cuisine in a modern and contemporary style, perfect for satisfying your cravings after a long day of celebrating.
Well, when in Paragon, you must try some food. Zombie, you've brought me to this special restaurant today.
Yes, here is the modern Thai E-saan restaurant. You know I'm from E-saan.
Are you?
Yes, that's why I bring you here.
Where in E-saan are you from?
Bangkok. It's a new provider of
I
Thailand.
love Bangkok. There's a lot of Thai E-saan food here, and we're at Co Limited, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what all do we have here? Obviously, we got some tam, right?
Okay, yes, this one is som tam kho mu yang.
Okay.
It's a papaya salad with the pork neck.
Okay.
Yes, and this one, it's special one. I want you to try this one so much.
What is that?
It's ox tongue.
Ox tongue?
Yes.
Okay.
You tried it before?
I've never tried ox tongue before, no.
Yes, so you need to try this today.
I'm so excited.
Yes, and this one is...
Ooh, this one looks good.
Yes, this one is tom sap ruam mit nua.
Some nice hot soup with meatballs. Yes, please.
All of the beef here. Yes, and the last one is ข้าวผัดมันเนื้อ with the sirloin beef.
So in my best Celine Dion voice, shall we go for it?
Shall we go for it?
What do we start with first?
I think the first one I want you to try is this one.
Okay. Ox tongue.
Yes, this
I'll do
ox
it.
tongue. This one is jim jam.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the team. This is for the viewers. Ox tongue for the first time in my life. Cheers.
Yes.
Do we cheers?
Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
It's soft. It's not hard like you think.
And it's quite nice. Like, would people in E-saan do they eat a lot of ox tongue?
Normally the ox tongue it's quite hard. So normally the ox tongue it's quite hard, but this restaurant make it very soft and like it's juice.
Okay.
Right? Yes, it's
But why
nice.
ox? Do you eat other parts of the ox?
Yes, we eat all, but the one part it's like I can't believe it. Like people eat it.
Okay.
It's like
the testicles? The ox testicles? Oh wow. Oh, so this is what? Braised beef and meatball.
yes.
Oh my God,
this
look at
one
that.
it's good. อร่อยมาก อร่อยมากๆ in Thai Yeah, I think because it's like modern Thai E-saan restaurant, that's why they not make like too much spicy because they want everyone can eat it. Yes, that's why. Oh, I wanna cry. It's delicious. So when I eat this one and this one, it seems like I'm sitting in the Bungan now. It's like I'm in E-saan now. It makes me miss my hometown a lot.
And E-saan food has a lot of flavor if you guys just stopped cutting so much chili into it.
Okay. Jay, I will bring you this one. This is my favorite. Oh, I love it so much, but be careful, your stomach gonna burn because it's from E-saan.
All right. Oh,
Okay,
no.
so you need to eat together with this one,
Yeah.
with the pork neck. Mm. For me, so, not spicy. But for him, I'm not sure.
Oh my god. I mean, it's very enjoyable, but it's so hot.
เอาด้วยแหละ
Hot damn!
Okay.
And of course, no meal is complete without dessert.
Yes.
What is this? Like a big patongko?
No, it's not big contago. It's crispy co-limited ball.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So it's made of flour with ice cream,
Yes.
condensed milk. Is that Milo?
I think yes, it's Milo.
Nice.
Yes.
Let's do it. Ooh, it's yummy. It's really good.
You like Jay?
I like it a lot. I like this more than roti,
Me too.
which is the biggest compliment I could give this dessert. All right, dessert is done. So where are you gonna take me next?
Oops, it's a secret. If
Yeah?
you want to know, you need to follow me.
Okay, but am I gonna like it?
Sure.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
One of the highlights of the event is the SpongeBob installation at Parc Paragon. Kids and adults alike can enjoy sliding down the 7-meter-tall SpongeBob slider and taking pictures with their favorite cartoon character and celebrities. Come hang out with SpongeBob this summer. But that's not all. From April 12th to April 16th, Siam Paragon is hosting concerts by some of the top local artists in Thailand. You can enjoy live music while taking in the festive atmosphere. On this day, we got a chance to enjoy music from famous Y-series celebrities Gemini and Forth. Siam Paragon is the perfect place to celebrate Songkran and enjoy all that the festival has to offer. With a wide range of activities, food, and shows available, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So come on down to Siam Paragon and join in the fun.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. These were some of the events that happened at Siam Paragon today. I had a great time. Did you have a good time?
Yes, sure. Have a great time.
So if you are in Bangkok, come check it out. You're bound to have some fun here with your family, with your loved ones. So it's Jay and Zabi signing out. We're currently at the SpongeBob slide, and there's only one way down.
Yes, let's go.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye, Jay. How he not stop?